Go bed. Your people them now go tell you, say, girl, get up and go bed. You want to bed, girl.
But you should bed right now and come back.
Go bed, man. And go scour between your legs and between your arm. Lift up the fat them and bed. You stink, you sour.
Hi y'all, it is a girl and it ends back with a live with Shay. Mr. Guys, whiny paso. Please like, share, and please comment and subscribe. Bye y'all. Mwah.
No, I need to.
All who dep on the live, sister, the live mute right through. And even if 30 people over my live, me like when the 30 people them they here.
No, we have 30 people who like you.
NYPD is already here.
A lot of diplomats in town.
Make the 30, uno get up and watch views too much. Views. Me no want no views. The views are your light of your salvation.
When I finish.
Go bed. Your people them now go tell you, say, girl, get up and go bed. You want to bed, girl.
But you should bed right now and come back.
Go bed, man. And go scour between your legs and between your arm. Lift up the fat them and bed. You stink, you sour. And go wash out under you.
Zwati foot. Open up your zwati foot and wash it out. Yeah.
You know much people come on the left. I mute. Me mute right through.
Underneath your big zwati and blow.
Alright, my brother. Everybody who come on the live can tell us, say, Shay was mute. Me mute, so you never hear Queenie saying, when me asleep. And when me wake up, me unmute the live when Queenie bring the tea come. You too fucking lie. You too lie. I be a lie you tell. Me no know how you lie so. You lie till you believe in all your own a blood clot lie them.
And I may touch you, man, you know.
Yes, sister.
What happened?
No, me did ask you about the Amazon something. So when you order from Amazon, if I change, you change the location and it give you what you have to do.
No.
When you click the link, what happen?
It opened up in a year thing because you send it to me.
Alright then, good. Thank you. That me the one know.
But when me do it, me choose the option. Them give the option if you want.
Stop alright, you know. I'm good.
You love to go back to the idiot triple where you have wrap around your finger. And
Yeah, me love them now.
say, oh, them live for me. I'm glad you live for me. You think so sad, me glad. Because when we start.
Girl, I can't matter with you right now because you not make no sense. Right, thank God. Anyways, me not gonna talk about she because when she done, she play like say me obsessed with her when are you obsessed with. Oh, you sit down on my live and see all of them something there. Queenie never tell me if I go get no tea by myself. You're too fucking lie. Me not sleep when the tea come. Me not sleep. Me not even know when the tea come.
And me wake up and say,
And she wake me up and tell me say see the tea here.
me come.
And when me taste the tea, me still asleep and the tea tastes fresh. And me say, you could have put little sugar in there. And she said she put honey in there. I say, boy, it's fresh bad.
I saw it for drink.
She too lie. Queenie never tell me that when who did they, if nobody would sleep on the live and dip on the live when me dip on the live can't come tell you no. And Queenie wake me up and give me the tea. You hear? I was sleeping.
First thing first, people, for sure don't she lie. The live mute. And when me come back with the tea and something and baby says she wait up and go to the bathroom, she must unmute it. When
the
me
whole
have-
night the live mute. Right, Rochelle?
When I have the conversation with baby, the live still mute.
The live did mute from last night till this morning.
The live
Who the on the
mute.
live can talk? The live mute the whole time. Who don't hear my mouth none at all? It mute. She too lie.
you see
It's
what
be a lie tell.
When we bring the tea, we mix it round in front of her.
The live mute for the whole entire night.
Rosealee.
The live mute. You never hear Queenie son on the bono. Go and go mix tea yourself. You're too fucking lie, man.
Never tell you, man. You see?
She look fresh.
Ever wet.
You ever wet and frownsy, girl? Leave me alone. Go bed.
No, she can't trouble you, you know, but
Here.
she be it
We
first.
only have 6 minutes before it deploys.
Get out of the building. We have
Jake,
graduation.
Jake's the wife, you know.
Get up and decorate your place or something. Go live and tell the people them say, me not business born a video girl.
For B. We need to evacuate the whole building.
Go up on your live and tell the people them say, guys, me go clean today. Come and live with me and watch me clean. Something.
Okay. I can take it.
Always a sweat, ever moly, ever frownsy.
Our wife do everything, our wife.
Your wife and your maid do everything. You depend ever tell the people them say me, Queenie, me sick and want tea, and Queenie tell me say me if I go make it myself.
Never that.
Never.
This is a fire. The vents will seal automatically to smother it, which will
Never.
inside, but
Yesterday and me go make the tea by myself because Queenie cleaned the whole house. She vacuumed the whole of blood clot in here.
I'm not even in there when them tell you where I'm to make the tea. Remember I run it so much.
And me and the people them there on the live yesterday when them a say, Shay, your throat sore, you feel sick, and me I say, yeah, me feel bad. And them a tell me, say, go and go make some onion. I'm going in the kitchen and I make it by myself. The time the Queenie a vacuum the blood clot house. And the people them a trouble her say, one thing with Queenie, she go clean.
I'm a guy running.
The woman clean the bathroom, the toilet, every woman bumble blood clot in. The woman wash all her plate and clean on the whole of the blood clot place. The woman vacuum the carpet right through.
I'll wash too, you
The
know.
woman all wash, took our machine, you know. The woman that she close them in her machine. No dirty clothes not in here, I swear to God.
Remember me our wife? And Jake's are your wife.
Not in here for do right now. I can't tell you that. In here clean.
Jake's are do the housework. Title Jake's.
In here clean, bad. The woman spray the carpet and vacuum it no blood clot. Cause carpet me have. Me have tile ground, but foreign coal. So you know if you have to put carpet on it. Them something there, you know a machine. You know wash.
Ma'am, you can't be here.
How long is it?
We never see her cook much less. It's like I am me a Jakes. I him alone me see her do things.
All
Me not
right.
see her get up and say make me get up and wash out my clothes them. I repeat, me see her repeat back the clothes them where it have on. Me have to wonder if you not beard. You know wash and so?
And Jake's are the wife. Title Jake's.
A tripwire.
How long before it reaches 2?
Rosealee
You not get up and wash her. You not see period. You not take break.
8 more minutes.
Well, you need to
Your period not come and them something there.
Isn't working. There's another one.
Listen,
What you do with yourself? You not clean your house and so. You not do them something there.
Your wife do
We
it.
never see her do that yet.
Right now, are you and Jake's are the lesbian more than me and Shay? Because Jake's is your wife.
Sit down in the one dirty corner pan live every day.
Yes, what
Every day they pan live people embarrass you.
Somebody say, pay back the one.
Your house a leak. Your wall want paint. Look how much things they yard for do. All you do is just get up, come pan live and cuss, and they go smoke this bag of cigarette and buy special. And one yam. You know, so make you think of yourself and go and lick a gym. Big stinking girl.
Hey, listen to me.
Rosealee, I live in your title. Jake's title.
Go, Marcus. I'll walk you out of this building. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
House.
Are we at the
Get up and go clean your bathroom. Get up and go clean your toilet. Me have to wonder, Rosealee, you not clean.
No, I
Your toilet not clean and them something there. You not go scour toilet and so and clean toilet seat and scour bathroom where you're bathing in because I'm more than one somebody are bathing in the bathroom and more than one somebody are use the toilet. You don't do them something there. You don't do those things. Not because you not live nowhere. Act like you live somewhere. Take care. Listen to me now. No come tell me sessionally. Anywhere you lay your head, you must take care right.
You take care right.
It doesn't matter if your house disgusting. At least
When rain fall, you don't fit in your house and feel
take
cold.
care of your
And
place.
that me know. Me scan for now. When rain fall, you don't fit in your house and cranny. You must cozy in
I
your
could
house.
never in my house and cranny. My house supposed to comfortable. Me hear you talk about me sit down pan life every day in my chair and me have blanket. Everybody who live a foreign have a blanket in a them chair as long as the place cool.
Cool time.
Everybody sit down in them chair in them living room and watch them TV.
Right.
Them big 65-inch blood clot TV and go and crawl them foots up and them little blood clot. Right there, so and I sit down and watch them TV and have them blanket. What do you, girl? What do you?
Right on that care people. Title Jakes, me and you how me clean your stuff.
Everybody have blanket in them living room. What do you?
I'm in a Jakes.
What is wrong with you?
To get to me.
So when you're over, you don't have nothing for cuss and tell me. Yeah, tell the people them say I'm sleeping on my chair. Because I have blanket every day, sit down on live. I'm watch my TV when my money blood clot by.
Until I'm ready for
ready for going on my bed. Every girl I find a blanket in them living room.
No,
every
she have to
girl.
find something, you know.
Every
Because
girl.
She come and see you in your
You don't know
bed.
them life there.
She come and see you in your bed this morning. When she peep over and I count the views them. I wonder if I count the chores. I wonder, me clean yesterday, Jakes. I wish they are here, their wifey.
She changed everything. Yesterday was when? Yesterday was Yesterday was what? Tuesday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Normally people have a day when them
Looking for me.
when them clean. We just clean every day. It no matter. Yesterday was Tuesday.
Rosealee.
She changed everything in here. In here, wash everything clean. Fabric softener in my clothes. Woo, smell good.
Rosealee,
Clean.
first thing first. My woman have asthma. So me have to clean often. This wife have to. I wish my day yesterday, Jakes. Your day. I wish day you go clean.
Every day. Yes. I sit down in my living room. I want to say my couch this and my couch that. Go get a tour in your mother big pussy. When Rosealee give you a tour, me give you a tour. So good. Come out of my comment section. Go tell Rosealee give you a tour. I'm going to give her a tour.
The
Simple.
woman sick. I me do everything.
Me allergic to dust, you know.
So
Me
me
allergic to dust, cat, dog, what you call that,
pollen.
grass, the pollen. Me allergic to all of them something there. So me have to then our environment was very clean.
That's why the people them ever hear me have vacuum and I steam the place because she have asthma.
And if them post me on Instagram, I'm for the cry.
No, for the way we. What we are
cry?
talking about are two lesbian couple on the app. Rosealee and Jakes and she and Queenie. Rosealee and fuck Jakes, but she and fuck Queenie. Title. Rosealee and living at Jakes. Title. No, sir. It's sweet, me. Two lesbian couple on the app. I run the app, you know. Jakes and Rosealee. And she and Queenie. Big on the app, the two. You know about it? The four sodomite them. Why title Queenie and title Jakes? Clean on the plate, clean wash, yeah. The only thing me not do I cook. Jakes do that door. Why? Jakes come like you have a step ahead of me, brother. Eh? And the sister. Wifey? Why? You no better than me, I'm a woman, you know? You just run out of the closet, so. Yeah, your woman, why you take over the LGBTQHRST? No, sir. No. Why go on with the other gay couple? The people they want to know. Jakes, me and if you do we work, you don't remember we a wife.
I'm ready.
You clean. Which day we go clean again, Jakes? Me clean yesterday. Tomorrow and Thursday, me go clean Friday again. And Sunday, because every other day me clean, you know. Yeah, because we have to do with duty.
No, brother.
Remember them a provide? So and we not provide. Remember me and I work, Jakes. So me I have to help out.
It's close to the election.
And we have to be the woman I are. Because I never provide.
And Jakes disgrace you upon live.
Sure.
The man say, I want you a big stinking girl. No man could call me so. No man could tell me say I'm big and stink.
You're good old give them.
I'm still give my crutches. You can't tell me say I'm big and stink. I'm still give my front, you crazy girl. Here ya. The man will ring up your hand pan live and boxing in your face. You're a clown. No boy could run them joke with me pussy me killing in your sleep.
I'll spit banana.
You stink. One thing with me, nobody could ramp with me. Say they sleep, me kill your body boy. Straight. In your sleep, as you sleep, me fuck you, trick you, make you drop asleep, and me just drop some blood clot attile in your ears. Me put out one big pot of attile so, and as you drop asleep, I straight in your blood clot ears, me and that shit. Rosealee go suck your mama. Me and the same thing. No boy could ramp with me so. Oh. Any boy play with me, so no boy could ramp with me them the way they. Pussy me bury you under the bottom of the blood clot bathtub. Me dig up your bathtub and bury under that pussy and cement you and put back the bathtub. Suck your mama. Left your family them looking for you. Right, so. You could me not look for you, no girl. Me not look for blood clot you. Cause the way all your self-esteem so low. Low. You sit down and take man a chop. Suppose him the kid, him should have chop in your blood clot head. Him should have chop off all your neck so good, girl.
So what's the thing say you are the same thing?
Me the same thing. Me a totally different person from you.
Man get you want to come size up. Cause
the way I see your blood clot and when you do the tattoo and the chop them, me have to say, who chop up your woman, sir? Me have to come on TikTok, come ask the people them, who chop you up? Them say your baby father.
I want the man make blood out of stone.
No boy.
One done, Shay.
No boy. Could run them pussy are dead. No boy could ramp with me, Sir Rosealee. None. You're clown.
You watch tea, go and make some tea for Muta now. Go out the door now.
Yeah, na Kela, me call you, hold on. No boy could ramp with me, sir. None.
Walk go down the road.
No boy.
Walk go down the road.
Stick no blood clot.
He also
idiot, man.
Alright, my brother, thank you, love you.
Walk go down the road now. Make Muta see.
Who over here? Who me for ask now?
From the archive I stole from the Secretary General's computer.
The New York Times received an audio recording from an anonymous source.
If me over Telegram, take it and jerk off now. What the blood clot you want me to do?
Recordings were found years ago.
Take it and jerk. What you want me to do? Me for ball? What the blood clot you come here and tell me? Want me for the ball?
No, them are going to ask nobody.
Who not going to ask me for cry? Is that crime? You see the red tape or the yellow tape around me? What the blood clot you want me for the girl? What you tell me that for?
No, the red tape or yellow tape. They see a picture out of the airport.
You see police a look for me?
For the next 4 years pursuing an isolationist.
Come in and no one to come here and come tell me about share you over Telegram. Like couldn't see police a look for blood clot me.
Won a presidential election.
No, I'm saying.
You see a picture out of the airport?
Me no know what to them.
When you see a picture of train station in the supermarket?
Me know them come over every minute, share your video. Well, take the video and go do what you want to do with it. Eat it. When you see the yellow tape around me and you see them picture out of the airport or in the supermarket, I look for me. When you see TVG, I look for me at CVM. What the blood clot you don't want me for the crime? Is that crime? When you see police, I put me up as a wanted. What the bumbo clot you don't want me for do?
Reward good work.
I remember I was here, you know. I think Mel's was here.
Let's not forget who works for whom.
What is your business?
Mel, yesterday when the tea argument, you did hear when Queenie tell me say, I forget up and go make the tea for myself, by myself. I what them say?
That was a couple years before we met. I was running for state house.
Share which man me hear say you asleep with your father.
I don't know who, don't know how, but some journalists
Your daddy.
wear the boots.
And next somebody may go sleep with are your son. Bring him come. Mama skin him body for him.
There's
Yeah.
respects the past, respects his history, American values. And the
What
police
can you say?
Now who this boy yes.
won that race by
Yes, you know.
Okay, go brush your teeth. Me never asked it on a so good girl.
little E with a
What can you say?
Nurken said no, I never hear that. True. When I look upon them, wanna tell life, you know. The way you lie till they believe in your own blood clot lie them. You lie till they believe in your own lie them. You lie till they believe in your own lie them. Under your mother. You lie till they believe in your own lie them.
Come down now, that will never happen.
You lie till they believe in your own and lie them,
Black
girl.
manager are two lesbian around here, you know? She and Queenie and Jakes and Rosalie, 2 gay couples. And
You lie till they believe in your own and lie them. You know, so I can't bother. Come if we go back and forth today, I can't bother. Have to lie to look good. Exactly.
that's why me a laugh off of them. 2 gay couple on the app, people. Send up, share the life, people. 2 gay couples.
Shay, at least you respect Queenie. Big Bat don't have the respect for her, chef. Ooh. Big Bat don't have the respect for her, chef. Can't bother.
Everybody know me.
Boy.
Everybody know me.
Big Bat don't have the respect for her maid. It's not our chef, it's our maid.
Our wife.
Our wife. She not have no respect for her wife.
You know, see how we have to do the chores. The woman them provide, we have to do the chores.
You keep on a talk about if me for sick and tea for save my life, and me call Jakes and Jakes give me the tea, him have to go put you out. Him have to go this and him have to go that. Him have to come out. The way all Jakes chop you up like a meat. The way him chop you up like a meat. Mother left him long time, but Queenie nah chop me up. Yeah, any boy chop me, mother chop him back. Right. The way Jakes chop you up like a meat, Rosealee.
And then they want the tattoo
artist. The way all Jakes chop you up like a meat. Me see the tattoo artist you want to drop, make blood out of water, chop your son. Chop him chop you up like a board, like a Jakes come like a butcher.
3 blood clot and
so where did I get it from?
It's going to be a day.
Them think me get exposed? Oh, them for things that me get exposed and I mean send it out. Them fool, you know. You know, so they not blood clot sense. Wanna slow your fuck.
Rosalie
and Blam them. Come here. Wanna think so? No do expose Sade? Rasclat. Me boss no bubble. I made it send it out long time. What? Wanna think gonna expose me for true?
No sir. No idiot, you know?
Wanna slow your fuck.
Wanna make me laugh though.
Wanna slow bad.
Now.
I can't believe when you think so they expose me. Jesus.
Because the 2 gay couple them on the app, Rosalie and Jakes and Shay and Queenie. Why?
Them things so them expose me. Them never know for true. Evan and Aiden mommy, they never know. I know them never know. Because them things that them expose Sade. Or things that them expose Shay. None of you bitches expose me. I expose myself. I expose myself.
Poor thing.
Yeah, Robert Tail Bishop. What else? Under me clean door. Under me clean door. No spots, no bump. Wanna see any bump on my vaggie? Clean, cute. Why? Under me clean door. Clean bad. I don't have no bumps. Crazy. Wanna see any sore but no. No bumps. Clean. Clean shape. Wanna see that ear bump and so? Clean bad. Tra. And Uno could have made me drop. What me for the drop down that dead over here? No scrape. No bumps.
When a woman expose herself for how long? Uno couldn't make the video seems like it new. Uno try
crazy.
It's not working.
Uno come here, come go like say. Uno didn't expose me. Go sit down now.
Oh no, say
go sit down now.
I'm not bored.
7:03 Greenwich Mean Time this morning. It hasn't been heard from since.
Clean. Clean shave. You remember what day when I come here come tell you about the thing when I use on my grind side, my bikini area there so? And that me use. Clean. Not gonna see what I go on. Use the turmeric and the lemon on the see on the grind side. You can wear bikini anytime, girl. You're crazy. And that me do and take care of myself. Clean.
Is it strange that there was no emergency?
The turmeric and the lemon have no going cute.
Rosealee living a Jake's title.
Grind side clean, no.
Title.
Me have to go sell it, me have to go do one business. Me have to go make it go no.
If it was a bomb, then satellites would have detected it.
Me have to go make one soap.
Even if it was a
Turmeric and me have to go make one soap. Yes!
So Rosealee, you never...
And it me use, that is why. Me have to go do it for true sweetness. Do both. Alright. The PSC if you have one black panty. Like for instance, when you buy one black panty. Yes, Sav, me see it already. Me see it already, Sav. When you have like one black panty, yeah, you can do it by your face for spots and so.
You're the lawyer. Figure it out.
Me use it for my face one time and it was cool, it was fine. But I show them my face.
I'm Owen Hendricks from the CIA.
No filter, me I go show them my face. Me use it for my skin too. When me used to bleach, me used to use it for my skin as a scrub. You understand? It make my skin pretty when me did bleach out. Me I go show them. Baby, you remember that picture there? When me did send you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but share by your mother. Oh. What the jar name pan Amazon? Why look a plastic jar them name, guys? What name? 3 minutes. Why look a plastic